Hi, I want to show you my new washing machine. I've had this for a month now, and I think this washing machine is the best ever washing machine I've ever had. Okay, this is fantastic washing machine. I think good value for money, and I got it from PC World Couriers. And altogether, take away the old one, recycle everything, that cost £300. A lot of fast delivery as well. So I'm going to show you now, okay? Excuse me. And here she is. So my new washing machine. Okay, I've had it a month, and it's 9 kilo. It's 1400 spin, and this washing machine is, the spin on it is better than my last one, which I had 1600 spin. Very good spin. I could fit quite a lot in there. 9 kilos. It's one touch. You can set your phone up if you want to. But I do recommend this washing machine. So like I say, I've had it a month, and it's very good. Okay, you know, this just comes out like that, and you got your fingers in there. So this washing machine is excellent.